In this tutorial, you will learn to download LiDAR, light detecting and ranging data. LiDAR data is available at no cost to all US-based SMS Advanced desktop software users who are current in the maintenance plan. LiDAR data is highly accurate and very dense and can be used to view your data in a 3D view, terrain analyses, or for designing drainage tile layouts. Begin by selecting File in the main toolbar. Choose Download LiDAR data from the Internet. The LiDAR download options dialog will now open. Select the appropriate download options for your operation. If you've already downloaded information for fields, use the first checkbox to prevent the software from re-downloading. This will save on storage space required for these dense data sets. Depending on your location, you may have one or more LiDAR files available. You can select the most recent or all depending on your needs. Choose Next. In the LiDAR clipping options window, you can select to clip to the set field boundary of the field or expand the downloaded data by a selected percentage outside of the field boundary. Click Next. Next, you will select what fields to download the elevation data for. Use the Select Data Filters dialog to select the fields that elevation data will be downloaded for. Click Next once you've made your selection. The data will now be downloaded. Once downloaded, the elevation data will be saved to the management tree as an elevation model operation. The dataset will include the year the LiDAR data was collected and the date the elevation data was downloaded into SMS. Additionally, a 3D grid will be generated using the elevation model. SMS will automatically use this 3D grid to run a terrain analysis. The terrain analysis will be saved to the management tree, where it can be mapped, included in analyses, and referenced when building new layers, such as water management plans. You have now learned to download LiDAR data from the Internet. If you'd like to see more short tutorials from AgLeader, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.